Hello, my name's David Allison and I head up product and planning here at MG UK. We're here today to take a closer look at the brand new all-electric MG4 EV. So this is the first car on our brand new modular scalable platform. This platform is going to support a range of new MG products over the course of the next 2 years. MG is performing fantastically in the UK market today. We've already surpassed our total sales from last year. Our market share is over 3%, and we remain one of the fastest growing mainstream brands in the UK automotive industry. MG4 EV is significant for us because it's the first car on our new modular scalable platform and takes us into an area of the market that we haven't operated in before. MG4 in terms of a package is a disruptor for us. It's a family-sized vehicle with a great level of specification, fantastic warranty, and amazing monthly payments. This brings the proposition of EV ownership closer to petrol car consumers more than any car that's ever come before. So today we'll take you through all new MG4 EV in a little bit more detail. We'll talk about the platform, we'll talk about the range, the specifications, and the pricing. So all new MG4 really represents a bold new direction for us. It's the first car on our brand new modular scalable platform, or MSP for short. The architecture will support multiple body styles moving forward, and it offers incredible cabin and boot space. Like a lot of new EV platforms, it's predominantly rear-wheel drive, but can support all-wheel drive. We can also achieve a 50-50 weight distribution, which is great for vehicle road holding and handling. And the architecture can support multiple battery capacities. So initially, we'll offer MG4 EV with 2 battery capacities, a 51 kilowatt hour standard range and a 64 kilowatt hour long range. We'll offer 2 specifications, the SE trim, which will be available with the standard and long range battery, and the Trophy, which will be available with the long range battery. Performance figures for the long range battery, well, 150 kilowatts of power, 250 newton meters of seamless electrical torque, and 0 to 62 in a shade under 8 seconds. Now, in terms of dimensions, we've all got very used to categorizing cars by their length: A segment, B segment, C segment, etc. So in terms of length, 4.29 meters means that MG4 is either a very large B segment car or a small C segment car. But one of the benefits of the platform is that we're able to squeeze a wheelbase of 2,705 millimeters into the car. Now that's just 15 millimeters shorter than our C segment SUV, the HS, which is over 300 millimeters longer overall. So all new MG4 EV is perfect for UK roads, garages, and parking spaces. So all new MG4 represents a bold new direction in terms of design for us. It's completely different than anything we've seen before. It's very modern, it's contemporary, and it's high tech. And we've also got a number of great styling features with the new MG4. We have this flowing 2-tone roof, the rear privacy glass, twin aero rear spoiler, and this full-length light bar with the rear crosshatch lighting design. The boot has 363 litres of capacity with the adjustable loading floor on the Trophy model, and 1,177 litres of boot capacity when you fold the 60/40 rear seats. So the interior is very contemporary, it's minimalist, simple, usable, functional, but most of all, very high tech. So tech is a word we're going to be using a lot with all new MG4 EV. The interior is dominated by 2 screens. We have a 7-inch driver display, which is fully configurable and reacts in real time with the 10.25-inch widescreen infotainment system. We have the ability to show 5 menus at one time, but just simply by touching one of the menus will take it into full widescreen functionality. We have slide to select technology, which will take you to a number of vehicle menus. We also have these hard piano keys below, which will take you for shortcuts to the ventilation system, hazard warning light, the home screen, and the volume control for the stereo. So how do we access the ventilation? Well, you can use the shortcut keys down here, or we can access through the vehicle menu up here. So that will take you to the ventilation screen. So we can power it on up here. We can adjust the fan speed and the temperature, or the heated seats. And one thing I love, the heated steering wheel. The other thing you'll notice is this floating center console, which houses the rotary gear selector, and that will enable you to engage the vehicle in reverse, neutral, and drive. In front of the rotary gear selector, there is a very handy storage tray for your mobile device, and on the trophy model, this doubles up as a wireless charging pad. There are also 2 very handy holes on either side of the wireless charging pad to support the USB cables, which run into 2 standard USB ports at the bottom of the center console. But what about powering the vehicle? Well, if you look around, you'll notice that there's no conventional stop-start button. So, to turn the vehicle on, you simply sit in the driver's seat. The car will recognize the key. You push the brake pedal, and that will turn the car on into ready mode, and you're ready to go. So we have 6 new distinctive colors for all new MG4 EV. We have 2 solids in Arctic White and Holborn Blue, 2 metallics in Black Pearl and Camden Grey, and 2 tri-coat metallics, the Volcano Orange you see here and Dynamic Red. So we have a number of innovative features on all new MG4 EV, some of which are new to MG for the first time. We have multiple drive modes, 5 in total, for different road conditions and for driver enjoyment. On the long-range battery, we have an active grille shutter system, which regulates the airflow according to the vehicle requirements, improving aerodynamic efficiency, particularly at motorway speeds, and improving range. Both cars use intelligent car connectivity. We have online maps, online music, voice control, and remote control using the iSmart app. And another layer of tech includes voice control. You can control the navigation, the radio, the music, the phone, and even the climate control using your voice. iSmart is a function which we introduced on all new ZS EV last year and allows you to control multiple functions of the car using your smartphone. So from the comfort of your sofa, you can program navigation instructions into the car, you can set charge management, and you can also do a number of systems checks. You can even lock and unlock the car using your phone. So we have a plethora of advanced safety features using MG Pilot's camera and radar-based technology on all new MG4 EV. For those customers who upgrade to the Trophy, this will also include blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alerts, a door open warning system, and lane keep assist. So the door open warning system uses the cameras that are mounted in the door mirrors, and they detect if a cyclist or a motorcyclist is approaching you and you haven't seen them. If you try and open the door, the warning sound will go off to advise you not to do so. So the proposition for all new MG4 EV is say yes to electric and say no to compromise. We will position MG4 EV using the following 4 pillars: space, tech, attainability, and drive. So with space, with that modular scalable platform, there's genuinely room for 5, with great room in the boot and loads of storage space. In terms of tech, we have those 2 interior screens, connectivity through iSmart, and those plethora of safety features with MG Pilot. So what we mean by attainability is fantastic warranty, great levels of standard equipment, amazing monthly payments. You truly get more with an MG4. And finally, drive. Electric cars are great fun to drive, and MG4 is no exception. We have that 50-50 weight distribution using the modular, scalable platform. We have that seamless electric torque, and we have those two battery capacity options, standard and long range. Now, as you would expect from MG, we like to keep things really simple and really easy. And MG4 EV is no exception. We have two trim levels, SE and Trophy, and we have two battery sizes, standard range and long range. Let's have a look at SE. The standard range battery is 51 kilowatt hours, 125 kilowatts of power, 0 to 62 in 7.7 seconds, and it can achieve a range of 218 miles. Now, as you would expect from an MG, it comes comprehensively equipped. So we have 17-inch alloy wheels, we have auto air conditioning, and we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, just as some highlights of the standard equipment. But there are also features that you wouldn't expect from a car at this price. For example, vehicle-to-load technology. Now, vehicle-to-load technology allows you to power an external device using the high-voltage battery in the car, and that's standard on both SE and Trophy variants. Now, we know that range remains one of the main reasons why people aren't adopting electric cars as quickly as we might want them to. So we're going to offer the long-range battery in the SE variant, and this will go 281 miles on the combined WLTP cycle, and just for an extra £2,500. And sitting proudly at the top of the range of all new MG4 EV is the Trophy model. Comes with the long-range battery and can charge up to 80% in as little as 35 minutes. Visually, you'll notice a number of differences from the SE, from the front lights to the two-tone roof, the twin rear aero, and the rear crosshatch lighting design. Coming with a great level of equipment, we add navigation, wireless charging, 360 camera, and a leather interior. So a little bit earlier, we talked about attainability. And one of the factors of attainability is affordability, or monthly payments. Now, we have achieved class-leading residual values with MG4 EV, and these will lead to monthly payments far more affordable than any of the class competitors. So as you can imagine, we're really excited about the launch of all new MG4 EV. The last 2 years has seen a spectacular level of growth for MG in the UK. And with the package that all new MG4 can deliver in terms of the space, in terms of the tech, the attainability, and the drive, this is truly the car that's going to support a bold, exciting new direction for us.